Good morning. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ray Ray. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Woo, happy birthday. Good morning. Ricky, you alright? Brother, what's going on? Okay, you still waking up. Rain, it's your birthday. You are 6 years old. Do you feel lovely?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Real things for real people. Ricky, you alright? It's Rain's birthday today, man. You don't really care about it? Alright, on to the next. Let's go see the birthday cake. You like it?
I'm just gonna eat it. No! Don't eat it yet.
Hold on. Let's sing to Rain Rain. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rain Rain. Happy birthday to you. Look at you with real candles.
You like your cake?
Yes.
Oh, let me help you with that because you don't want to spit on the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay! Congratulations, Rain.
Now can you eat the
Alexa, it's Rain's birthday today.
Ron Ashton was born on July 17, 1948.
Sorry, Rain. All right, so Rain, this video is for Auntie Shever. What do you have to say for her making this cake?
Thank you.
Did she do a good job?
Yes.
Was it everything that you wanted?
Yes.
All right, anything else you want to say?
No.
All right, well, let's see what this inside looks like.
She made it amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll get you.
All right, so you had your first taste. How do you say it tastes?
So good.
So good?
It tastes amazing. I just tried the light one.
Okay, let me see your first bite. This is your birthday cake. Let me see. Give us a let us know what you think, since you're like loving making cakes and stuff like that. So I want to see what you have to say about this one.
Love candy.
Okay, let's see it. Okay, looks nice. What do you think?
It's good.
Yes.
It has a lot of things in it.
Okay.
But I have a question. What is this made from?
Strawberries.
It's so good.
Yeah. Okay.
I just gotta keep eating.
Okay, Ricky, what do you think, brother?
Good.
Oh, okay. The struggle is real. Okay, no problem. It's all yours. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
It tastes like strawberry.
Ooh, you love strawberries too. Is that everything you wanted? And it's Rain's birthday. Look at that with the wind. Whoop whoop.
Thank you, y'all. Bye-bye. Let's be bye-bye. Let's be bye-bye.
So what do you think, Rain? Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
Is it good, Ricky? Is everything you want it to be? Look at you getting blessings on Rain's birthday. It pays to be around the blessed.
It tastes like sour.
It's not sour.
Yes, I'm serious. Bye-bye. And then this is my favorite food.
What's your favorite food? Oh, you say you never had it before. It's what you eating on Rain's birthday. Rain, are you enjoying your birthday dinner?
Yes.
You said you wanted pizza, and so guess what you have?
Pizza.
That's right. Rain gets what Rain wants on her birthday. What? All right, Ricky. Anything else you want to say? What is it?
It's my best day ever.
Best day ever?
And I want to get this party started.
Oh, get this party started. Ooh. Rain. It's your birthday. Get the party started. Woo. I love it, y'all. Woo.